After cooking, guys, ito na yung ating lumpia. Fried lumpia, guys. Ayan. For today's video, guys, we will make a lumpia. Pork lumpia for today. So, ito yung ating mga ingredients. So, ang gagawin ko is i-chop ko muna sila. I-grated ko sila. Okay. So, yan. Iba yung ating mga sangkap, guys. So, i-chop ko muna sila. So right here, maghaluin natin lahat mga ingredients.
3 cups grated carrots.
Grated carrots. And this is 2 pounds of meat. It's already and 3 eggs. Salt, parsley, and pepper. String onion, red onion, parsley. This is celery, and this is pepper. So, haluin lang lahat ang mga yan. Half cup of flour. So, this is ready for wrap na, guys. Ayan. So, yung gagawin natin, guys, is pahaba. Parang party style. Kung may party kayo, pwede niyo siyang gamitin ng ganyan. Yan, roll mo lang siya ng ganyan. Ayan na siya, guys. Ayan, so ito yung nagawa natin today. So, ilalagay ko sila sa ziplock para ma-freezer ko siya. Ayan, ganyan lang paggawa ng lumpia, guys. Ayan, tapos i-freezer ko na siya. So, anytime na gagamit ako, magluluto ako, ayan, kukuha ako sa freezer. After cooking, guys, ito na yung ating lumpia. Fried lumpia, guys. Ayan. So, tikman ko nga kasi mas yummy. Ayan, nag-ketchup natin, guys. Ayan. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and share.